Hi everyone! I hope you all are doing well and staying healthy. Thank you for watching Life of Pang. Today we're going to make a lemon cake from scratch. And yes, that's how I feel about lemon too. But a viewer had requested this, so Kelly Lo, I hope you're watching. Please let me know what you would like to see bake in the rice cooker by putting it in the comment section below. So before you start mixing, make sure your egg, milk, and butter are at room temperature. So measure out what you need and leave it out for a few hours. They'll mix better that way. For this recipe, you'll need the zest and juice of 1 large lemon or 2 small lemons. The zest will enhance the flavor more. And it would really help me out if you click that thumbs up below if you like this recipe. If you're new to my channel, I upload new recipes every Saturday. And don't miss future recipe by subscribing to my channel and turning on that notification bell. And if you don't have fresh lemon, you can also use these pre-packaged bottles. They will work fine as well. If you are using a measuring cup, be sure to spoon the flour into your cup and then lightly pack it down, then level it off with a straight edge. That way you will get as close to the proper amount as possible. And if you have a food scale at home, that would even be better. As a reminder, the full recipe is in the description box below. So, sift your dry ingredient and just whisk them until they're combined. Now let's mix the sugar and butter together for 1 or 2 minutes, and you want this to be light and creamy. Then add 1 egg at a time, mixing about 1 minute with each egg. This process will help our cake to be airy and delicious. And make sure you scrape the sides as well. Before we mix in the flour, let's add the lemon juice to our milk along with the zest. And our milk will begin to curdle, and that's fine. And don't forget the vanilla extract. And we're going to add the flour in thirds. So add 1/3, mix slightly, and then add half of the milk mixture, and then mix it a bit. Now add another 1/3 of the flour and mix. And then add all the milk, then mix it. Now add all the flour and mix it until the ingredients are incorporated. And you can just use a spatula to do this as well. Pour your batter into a lined pot or pan. If you are baking in the oven, be sure to check out the oven baking section in the written instruction below, okay? If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, please watch to the end for some very important tips. While our cake is baking, let's make the sugar syrup and glaze. The amount in my video was way too much, so I'm reducing it so that you don't waste any of that good ingredients, okay? I am microwaving mine, but you can also do this on a stovetop and just bring it to a boil. And if you are low on the lemon juice, just add a bit of water to equal the amount. It might not be as sour, but it will still taste good. And this is after the second bake. And that's 1 hour, and it's not ready yet. After 3 bake cycles, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and our cake is done. Now cool it for 10 minutes. Then set the cake on a rack or on a plate if you don't have a rack. and we're going to brush the syrup all over the cake, including the sides. Now let the cake cool completely for another 30 minutes or so. Then drizzle the glaze on in whatever style you like. As you can see, I'm not very good at this. Mine look awful, but hey, it's going to taste delicious. That's what matters the most. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share my video with everyone you know. If you're new here, I upload a new recipe every Saturday. So don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notification when I put out new recipes. This cake is airy with that sweet and sour balance perfectly. I typically don't like lemon desserts, but this one changed my mind, okay? So definitely make it. If you made any of my recipe, I would love to see them, so please share them with me. You can upload them to my Rice Cooker Baking Facebook page or tag me at Rice Cooker Bacon on any of these social medias. I love hearing from you and interacting with you, so make sure you put a comment below, even just to say hi, how are you? Hey, I watched it, love it, keep going. I love hearing all the wonderful comments, and if you have any question, again, just put it down there. I respond to every post because I appreciate you guys so much. So thank you and happy baking. This cake is at a medium sweetness level, and with the syrup and glaze, it is at a sweetness level. Didn't get enough deliciousness? Then check out my other videos here or binge watch my playlist right here.